Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to import Coinbase Wallet. Open the Coinbase Wallet app, tap Settings, then choose Import Wallet and select Recovery Phrase. Carefully enter your 12 or 24 words in the correct order without extra spaces. Create a strong password and enable biometric unlock for convenience. Double-check the wallet address and network before transferring any tokens to prevent mistakes. Start by confirming you have the correct recovery phrase for the wallet you want to import. In the app, choose Import Wallet and pick Recovery Phrase, then type each word carefully and confirm. After import, set a strong password, enable biometric unlock, and consider adding a PIN for extra security. Finally, review your asset list and balances to ensure the import completed successfully. If you run into issues, first recheck every word of your recovery phrase for spelling and order. Make sure you are viewing the correct network and add any custom tokens by contract address if balances are missing. Update the app to the latest version and restart if needed. Avoid entering your phrase on websites or unknown apps and only use official app sources to protect your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.